Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we've got a few things we've got to take care of. Trying to get everything ready. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, so I'm gonna try to take it a little bit easy tomorrow, but we still got some things we got to get done. It's a beautiful day out compared to yesterday. It was really nasty, cold, rainy, and all that good stuff. But we got a problem here. Got a flat tire on the old John Deere, so we got to get that fixed. Now these tires have tubes in them, and I don't know. I had to run over something that completely punctured through, obviously. But I am going to try some slime in there. Sometimes it'll, bypass through the tube and then seal up the actual tire itself. So we'll go ahead and get some of that stuff squeezed in there, and hopefully it'll hold air for today. But let's go ahead and see if we can get this fixed. Well, that didn't work. It's still spewing out the air. So I'm gonna have to take it off. So we'll go ahead and get this thing blocked up and take it off. All right, guys, the next day, tractor tire still broken down. I gotta wait till some places open up. I just don't have the equipment to break that tire down. Today is Memorial Day, and we're just gonna do a few things here that I didn't get done yesterday. For one is we got to move the turkey pen, get it situated, get the turkeys moved out. That's our biggest thing that we're gonna do today. Also, I have a little bit more planting to do. I'll give you an update on the garden here and a few other things. But right now we're gonna go up and feed the pigs. So I'll show you an update on those and how they're progressing and stuff like that. So let's head on up to the other farm and get these pigs fed. Okay, we're up here at the barn. Get it opened up. Kind of smells in here. We got the last 4 or 5 days have been super cold, so I've been leaving these doors shut. Get them all open now. Anyways, here are all the pigs. There's Porky. She's doing pretty good. She's dirty now. She's not eating all her food. And there's the 2 feeder pigs. They've grown quite a bit. Porky, how come you're not eating your food? Huh? I just upped her food, so that could be why. So I may just, I'll just keep giving it to her and make sure she'll eventually pick it up and start eating. She may need warmed again too, so who knows. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her fed, and then we'll get on to the next chore. All right, they're all fed. Probably later today I'll have to come up and clean this pen. These two make a mess. They're definitely a lot dirtier than turkey. Starting to fill out a little bit, not too much though. I'm gonna, here in another week or two, I'm gonna change up her food regimen to some, you know, better food. Right now she's just on like a half and half thing. But we'll see how she responds to that. All right, let's head back down to the other farm and get them turkeys moved. All right, guys. This is gonna be our turkey pen. This is what we had underneath the lean-to last year. It has a roof, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the roof up on top of it, and we'll get our waterers in there and some shavings. So that should be okay. I mean, they worked yesterday or last year real good. So let's get at putting this roof together. Hope I remember how it went together, because I haven't had it on there in 2 years. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. On it. Now I'll just put some shavings in here, and might need to get a bigger tarp just so it comes down, so the water will shed all the way. But other than that, I mean, this is pretty solid. Girls are just zip tying the bottom together so no rodents can get in. All right, let's go get some shavings and get it put in here and get the water and feed, and we'll move the turkeys in here. Okay, we're not going to put shavings in them. We're just going to let them mill down this grass. Put a couple roosting areas for them because they like to roost. So, next thing on the agenda is we're going to go get my daughter's horse, Kit Kat, bring him back to the farm. That way we don't have to keep paying board on him. I mean, he's less than a mile away. So, but we're going to get him moved in here, and then later on, I don't know if it's going to happen today, maybe, but without the tractor, it may not. But we are going to build a riding arena basically out of these gates over on the other side of the creek, so we have a place to ride. So let's go get the horse. Ready? My Kit Kat.
I don't know how she likes this stuff.
I don't know either. Come on. Let's go.
She's probably not going to load on this stuff.
She better. That's the only way she's going to get home.
Don't hit her on the road.
No, I'm not. Stop. Get her hooked up.
I'm trying. Come here.
had a horse she just knocked the top of her eyelid. Had to get about 10 stitches. So I don't know if you can see it. She's kind of camera shy. It's all swollen. She looks like a boxer. She'll be all right. Had that vet come out, obviously. That emergency call. Those things are expensive. All right, so let's see what else we can get into. Probably not a whole lot. I'm gonna maybe give you a garden update and go from there. Okay, truck's all unloaded. The next thing we got to do, which I'm probably going to wait, those two horses right there, Heidi and Peanut, are in the way. But I got to move these round bales, probably both of them, or at least one, into that pasture so they have hay to chew on. And these guys have this older bale. I might stick the other one in here. Up to the hay bind, get that out, and go over that for a little bit, and make sure everything's copacetic on that. Because, like I said, the first week we get, it's 5 days of good weather. We're gonna mow our hay, and it's looking pretty good because we fertilized it this year, and I'm hoping we get a great big yield off of it. But there's a lot leading up to it. We got to get our wagons ready. We got to get the hay barn cleaned out, which, you know, by the end of next week we should. So I'm gonna head to the store. I'll catch you guys in a little bit.